The Kansas City Police Department has issued an Amber Alert for a child abduction that occurred at 408 North Belmont Boulevard, Kansas City, Missouri on January 18, 2023 at 9:14 a.m. Abducted was Melanie Avery, black, female, age 5 months. Suspect vehicle is a white 2005 Acura sedan, 4-door. Vehicle has a sunroof, missing front bumper, and the license is unknown. Suspect is Markel Avery, a black, male, 21, 6 feet 2 inches tall, 150 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Last seen wearing a jean jacket. Victim Melanie Avery. Last seen wearing a white tank top, pink shorts, and a pink blanket. Armed suspect took child by force. Please call 911 or Kansas City Police Department at 816-234-5150 if you have any information pertaining to this alert.